Welcome to the incredible, diverse, and stunning Olympic Peninsula in Washington State. The Olympic Peninsula has the Hood Canal to the east, and a little further east, Seattle, the Strait of Juan de Fuca to the north, and beyond that, Vancouver Island, and to the west, the Pacific Ocean. It contains the most western point as well as the most northwestern point in the lower 48. The peninsula is approximately 3,600 square miles with mountains, the Olympic mountain range, and with its highest peak, Mount Olympus, lakes, Lake Cushman, Lake Quinault, Lake Crescent, and more. Rivers, Quinault, Hoh, Queets, Solduck, to name a few, and of course, Olympic National Park, as well as quite a few Washington State parks. Beautiful beaches, Kalaloch, Ruby, Crescent, and rainforests, the Hoh Rainforest, Queets, and Quinault. These are considered temperate rainforests. Waterfalls, Merriman Falls, Madison Creek Falls, Solduck Falls, and loads more. A scenic drive to Hurricane Ridge, and loads of hiking trails. One of our series is what we call a few faves, where we share a few favorites of a certain genre, such as Texas state parks, Georgia state park campgrounds, and in this video, our few absolute favorites of the Olympic Peninsula. First up, the Hoh Rainforest. With so many trees and of course rain, we opted for a small RV park for power as our solar panels will be struggling to keep up. We highly recommend the Hard Rain Cafe Campground for its proximity to the National Park entrance to the Hoh Rainforest and its staff and its food. And now for the Hoh, incredible hikes along clear streams, moss dripping from trees, ferns, complete greenery. Next, Solduck. Here we again opted for a site with power, and the best part about it, walking distance to the hot springs. And a saunter to the Solduck Falls. A view of the Salmon Cascades, and a beautiful walk through the ancient forest. And a slightly different favorite, the Waterfront at Potlatch, right on the Hood Canal. A sweet RV site with incredible views, and the wildlife here. Harbor seals chasing salmon, a family of otters feeding and preening, and bald eagles on the beach. Although we spent close to 4 weeks here, we feel that we barely scratched the surface. Well, sometimes the ball and chain, the rescue pup, limits what we can do. We enjoyed tag teaming the trails, and she enjoyed meeting people in parking lots. The Olympic Peninsula is an incredible and wild place, and definitely worth a return visit. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you were here. As always, thanks for watching.